fame up in lights, he just wants to be heard. Whether it's the beat or the mic, he feels so unlike everybody else, alone. In spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach. And now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist.
This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cock. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat.
He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop. Green Lantern,
MS, Lupe. You know, I'm a fan, man, I'm a real fan. Feel real honored to be up in here, you know what I'm saying? They had to bring out the expensive mics for this one. You know what I'm saying? The $7,000 headphones for this one here, you know what I'm saying? Come on, talk to me.
This is a story of them against us. Win or lose, forcing your feet into someone else's shoes. Everybody's got something to say, that we ought to live their way. What we're doing's not okay. In this world, everybody's got a chip on both sides of the neck. Got no respect, wait up a sec. You ever feel like the pressure's too much to take, too much weight? Ladies and gentlemen, if anybody can hear me right now, please shout back. We're not the only ones feeling so trapped in a dream of somebody else. In fact, they got their heads full of some overblown scheme, opportunity they missed back when they were 16. And all they wanna do is push you to be that, and all you wanna do is scream back.
Gonna be somebody.
For anybody telling me I can't, yeah.
Gonna be someone.
For anyone who told me I had no chance,
Gonna be somebody.
I'm telling you the time has come like that.
Gonna be someone.
And maybe you'll get it when I'm finally done. We don't sleep to dream, we sleep to build stamina, energy to do our thing. Get get your camera, cause this ride is about to begin. Sit down and buckle it in. Let me say it again. In this world, everybody's got a chip on both sides of the neck. Got no respect. Wait up a sec. When I was young, they said the odds of making it were slim to none. Ladies, and fuck it, I'm tired of them saying the dream you have doesn't exist. Telling you you're worthless, saying you should quit. Basically telling you that you'll never be shit. Really they're pissed cause they'll never achieve some opportunity they missed back when they were 16. And all they wanna do is push you to be that, and all you wanna do is scream back.
They gon' think you're crazy, mumbling to yourself in the basement all day, into yourself. My pops didn't dig it, was shoveling to myself. My boys used to get it, they dug it because they felt. My undertaking took me, I was making it myself. A wealth of rhymes of crazy, I would chuckle to myself. Then they went into the mental Rolodex. See, I knew I'm by heart like a brain in my chest. And I took them to school where subjects was getting felt. Books under my seat, notebook laying on my desk. My teachers like Mr. Jaco, yes. With all that knowledge, you ain't trying to go to college, be a lawyer or a doctor, get a whole lot of dollars. Rather degrade women and
this rap game, mainly cause it's cool to add a little spice to the life you've been through. Everyone exaggerates a tiny little bit, make that shit sound more gangster than it really is. You can't appear weak, man, we wanna hear street, we wanna hear you spit your thoughts.